show you a very low calorie breakfast. Avocado toast. I use the 35 Healthy Life bread, 35 calories. Just pop that in the toaster. Turn my eye on to about medium. I just have a regular stick of butter. I use very, very little, like 10-20 calories worth of butter, but I just kind of rub the pan a little bit. 1 egg and half of one of these avocado mashes. Okay, so we have our egg in the pan. I like to sprinkle just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of oregano. Toast just came out, and we're going to add our avocado. We have our avocado on our bread, and again, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pepper, and oregano. Egg is coming along. I'm going to flip it and hopefully not break the yolk. This is the hardest part. Push together. We're just gonna let it sit here for just a minute because I like it very runny. Okay, put it on top of our toast. And last, optional, I love some crushed red pepper. There you go. Very, very low calorie breakfast.